Hi everyone! Today I want to show you another type of ruffle technique that you can do with buttercream. I am using tip 104. If you can see, it is like this but bigger, and it is a rose petal tip, and we're going to be doing the ruffles with that. This is the 102 and this is smaller. The 104 is a little bit bigger. They do have an even bigger one, but that's not what I want for the size of this cake. This is just a 6-inch. If you're wondering about this parchment paper, it has nothing to do with this. It's for, transportation means, so don't worry about that. And usually I don't use a 12-inch cake board for a 6-inch cake. Again, transportation purposes. So here we go. Your tip is going to have a skinny end and a wide end. You want the wide end to be up against the cake. So you're going to be holding it sideways. So you want the wide end up against the cake, the narrow end facing out. Hopefully I can get a good angle here for you. And you can do this vertically and go up with those kind of ruffles, or you can do it horizontally. I'm going to be doing it horizontally. So I'm going to start right here, and you just want to gently go around, and it does tend to naturally want to go up and down on its own. I'm doing a very slight ruffle there. And you just hold it at the bottom, and you can just gently go up and down as you slowly spin the cake around. So you will want to use a cake board to make it easy. Now, the more you go up and down, the more drastic that ruffle's gonna be. And the less you go, the less drastic it's going to be. Once you reach the end, then just go up a row and continue again. We're going to go around, around, and around. I did make a pretty stiff buttercream this time because I want to make sure that these ruffles really hold their shape. I don't want them drooping. And again, because this is being transported quite a few hours away, I want to make sure there's no problems. And I crumb coated my cake, and it had been in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So not too long. Alright, there we go. Looking good. Super easy. Just take some time, practice those ruffles. It can get tricky if you feel like they're falling flat. Just adjust the angle you're holding it at. If you want them to be wider or shorter, just how quick you go up and down, or if it's, wider, that's gonna change the way your ruffle looks. So if you have any questions, you need a frosting recipe, you need any tips, you want to know everything that I used, just comment below. I'm happy to let you know. I will try and list everything as well so that it's an easy search, or I'll post one of those little dings across the screen and you can see the recipe that we used for the frosting. I hope you have an awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Have a good one.